This next number is was written by a Canadian by the name of Ian Tyson. Bobby Bear put it on top of the charts down here. 4 strong winds. 4 strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high. All these things that won't change, come what may. But my good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm ever back this way. I may go out to Alberta, weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I could go to working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. If I get there before the snow flies and things are going good, you could join me if I'd send you down the fair. But if you wait until it's winter, it would do no good, for the wind sure can blow cold way out there. 4 strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high. All those things that won't change, come what may. But my good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way.